Alright guys, I'm trying to close this 1/2 inch poly tubing. I've had someone on YouTube had the idea to take this, take this and smush it and put it on. That's not working because that's going to be the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole in it in midair, fold it over. Got a hole in it. Fold it over. And I'm going to take my little zip tie and I'm going to zip tie that. And that's how I'm going to close it. Without using all the devices. So I don't happen to have a device right now. And I have to get this done tonight. Oh, this is what we're doing. That on there. Can you see? Sloppy like. Oh, there we go. All zip tied, and I'll get a second one because of course I had to twist that. But that's how I do that. All right, and that holds when you don't do it all sloppy like and backwards.